Hi guys, it's me, ColorMeCassie, and today I have a FabFitFun for you guys for fall. That was way too much alliteration, but I'm good with it. So you guys, we have FabFitFun for fall of 2018 here for you guys. I got this the other day and I'm so excited to open it up. I love FabFitFun. I feel like there's always like a really fun combination of things in these boxes. Like, it's not just makeup, but it also has like some beauty stuff, it has some fitness stuff, and just some fun stuff, as the name, you know, kind of shows. But if you guys are new here and you love seeing unboxings and beauty related content, then please make sure you like this video and subscribe, and make sure you hit that little notification bell as well, because that just makes sure that you get in on all my future videos. Let's pop this baby open. Yeah! This is a huge box, and we got our little magazine thing that usually comes with FabFitFun, and then a little coupon thing for Luna Rica granola bars, I think. So the first thing I'm seeing has to do with that coupon that we just saw. It's a Luna Rica cashew butter filled fruit nut bar. I am actually not that into cashews, so I'll have to give this to somebody else, but a cool thing to get in the box. Little snacky snack. Next thing I'm seeing, this looks like it's I was hoping it was a scarf. This would be a cute scarf, wouldn't it? I think it's just a hand towel. Yeah, it's a set of hand towels, 2 hand towels, I think. But these are really cute. These will look cute in my kitchen. I think that'll be fun. I should peek at what this says. So it says the price of the towels is $15, so that's about $7.50 a towel. I say that's a decent price. These seem like they're nice quality. They've got a cute little pattern on them, and I think they'll look good in my kitchen. So the next thing I'm seeing is this Blue & Capri Skin & Co. shower gel. Cool. I can't really tell what it smells like. Maybe it's sealed. Yeah, it is sealed. That's why I can't tell what it smells like. But I haven't had a shower gel in a little while, so this will definitely be good. I'm out of body wash. I've been using Brian's body wash. Do you guys ever do that? I've been using Brian's Axe lately for my body wash. That's a little bit weird, but it's working out for me. So the total price of this is $22. I wouldn't typically spend $22 on like a shower gel type thing, but I'm definitely excited to get to try this out. And this definitely helps with the value of the box. Okay, next thing I see in here is this Alfred ceramic and stainless steel teapot. Oh, it's a teapot, you guys! Oh, this is so cute, you guys. This is adorable. Look at that. I love the blue, and I think it's so cute. Oh, you guys, and it's got a little tea steeper as well. So this is like one of those single serve teapots. Oh, so cute. I actually love this. This is the thing about FabFitFun that they do really well. They get just like really cute stuff to put in it that's not necessarily beauty stuff, but I like it anyways because it's cute. And it says the teapot is worth $26, so that is also a good value of the box. And we're over the cost of the box right now, I believe. It's about 40 bucks or something like that. Maybe it's 50. But either way, we're over the value of the box, and I feel like that's a pretty awesome thing. Also, I see a familiar face here. We have a beauty blender. That's always awesome to get. I've actually never had the actual beauty blender before, so I've always used like the Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge, which I think is a really cost-effective alternative, but this will be good to get to try this out. It says the total cost of this is $20, which is accurate. Everything in here is like 20 bucks. I feel like I'm getting a pretty good deal, not gonna lie. The next thing I'm seeing here is a Grown Alchemist Hydro Repair Day Cream. I don't tend to spend a lot of money on skincare, so it is nice to get in a box where I don't have to spend a lot of money on it and can still get high quality products. I like that this is a full size thing in here. It says the total cost of this is $50, so that's a pretty good deal. I'm always surprised by how much all this stuff is worth. I just think that FabFitFun is a great value in a box, and I feel like you get a ton of stuff for very low cost, which is my cup of tea, you know? I really like to get a lot of stuff for just a little bit of money. I think it's a good deal. So the next thing I'm seeing are these Cobra Bluetooth headphones. It's a Bluetooth headphone. These have the little buds that stick in your ears. Yikes. I just knocked something off the counter. But these types of headphones are not actually my cup of tea. The buds always want to like pop out of my ears. So I will probably give these away to someone who will appreciate them a little bit more than I will. But it says that the total cost of these is $40, so I'd say that's a pretty awesome addition to the box as well, especially if you don't have Bluetooth headphones already. Another thing I'm seeing here are Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Masks. I've never heard of the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Mask before, but there's two kind of single-use things in here, and Glam Glow is very, very expensive. So this could be a very good deal. It says the 2-pack of masks is worth $18. Again, everything in here is worth like 20 bucks. I think that's a great deal. I don't know how they afford to do this box. I don't get it. I don't understand. There's so much stuff in here and I didn't pay very much at all, so I don't know. The next thing I'm seeing is this Metalist Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo. So this is like a little lipstick duo thing. It looks like it might be kind of a metal finish lipstick duo. And this is what it looks like inside. You've got like your metallic finish in one and kind of a gloss in the other, I think. But that looks pretty cool. Yeah, it looks like you got your metallic finish on one side and kind of more of a gloss on the other side. So that's a very pretty color. I'll definitely use this. Great color for fall. And let's see about the price of that. It says the price is $24.99, which again, great addition to the box. We keep adding value here, and I'm way, way over what I paid for this thing. The last thing looks like a bag. It's a Vince Camuto bag. That's really cool because Vince Camuto is like an actual brand that I know. Man, I can't find how this opens. Here we go. Here we go. So it's a little leather tote bag. I think I could definitely fit like my computer in here and stuff, and it's very stylish, very fall-like. I'm not a huge fan of shoulder bags just because I feel like I have a bag sitting in my armpit, but they are really convenient for carrying things around, and this one is very cute, so I'll definitely get some use out of this. Oh, and the value of that bag is $128, so I'd say that's a pretty awesome deal. And I can't believe we got it. That's pretty incredible. So definitely excited about that. So all in all, the value of this box was $343 and I paid maybe 50 bucks for this. So you guys, this is nuts. If you guys can get FabFitFun and you don't get it already, then you should do that because this is just such an incredible deal. You get such unique things and such a variety of things. Some makeup stuff, some beauty stuff, some fashion, some household things, and it's just really fun to get. I feel like every time I'm so excited and it's like I'm getting a birthday present. Let me know if you end up getting it. I'll have a link in the description box down below. That is an affiliate link, which means like I get a couple bucks or something if you buy one. I don't really know what it is exactly. I get a little something if you buy one. But honestly, you guys, I would not show this box unless I actually thought it was amazing, and I do pay for this box myself, so I wouldn't keep getting it unless I liked it. So let me know what you thought of this fall FabFitFun in the comments down below, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!